radia. Mo share qualification. Hey, mo me qualification ya defa. Dia ne ne de. E wa kete se we dia ne ne de. Abranche dia ne ne de. E you wrong. Me also for. Siriti bi. Me say that e you wrong. Nyame wontin you. Ade anya mete ya tene. Sini. Ti na du ba bia. On say John 9:31. Was in a so biam atene from Bible. So the only voice that God hear is the voice of a righteous person. Irrespective of the tone. Oh what? It's not about that. It's a fit teteno. And you can follow my boss out to home. And say you will be sell on my tongue. Just say, I will team, I will kick him, kum, select it. Yanko Second Chronicle 2021.
No, sorry, I'm about to do.
What sorry, I'm about to do.
Now, Ophredi call, not the assessor. No, Ophredi, no.
Second Chronicle 2021.
2021. No, no, mine to Edina.
I heard a hear me. Second Chronicle 2021. Was it only or mine to Edina?
No, ye are going to pour or two.
Why ye obey him for? And you to four. You have qualification, you know. What can so be a so better than to no ye and you to four young was.
I will to me to a rabbit do dinner yet. I will kick up
qualification, you know. Or man for a near debt. Pastor Babranka said, ye and you to four 1 year debt. Yes, you are. Me say the Bible New Testament. It's a master I didn't know Old Testament about. Because I made me read the Bible, not in Tiasia, because Genesis in a portion. Anytime I read the Bible, not be funny difficult. Now we come back to Genesis and then I try to count. Today, yes, you buy or cast a yourself, Muslims are watching us, watching us. It's a mutual edge now, we to form back to my qualification. I will kick up crew. I will kick up crew, and you will be out. Or man, the one with good voice. No, Bible and Casa. I will kick up crew. Hey, my maker said it was awful. Irrespective, said they will preach it, said they will message you powerful. So when you to four, and more conclude me part what bregu. Nyamini these two tools. Also for Biano, Nyanko body and Quadiata and so. Eti Obia would tell me don't joke with your pastors. That is what last me teaches me. Oh, Jeremiah chapter 3 verse 15 said, Jeremiah 3:15 was it, and I the Lord will give you pastors from my heart, and they shall feed you with knowledge. Meaning so or soft pan Yamed. And son and Yamed soft mamma. The part of Psalm 132, the verse my 16 year. Psalm 132, the verse my 16. And Obia near money up at the mic. And it's now so for the blame, which means you're Jamaica. Because the panel knows ever to show. I'm a woody preaching about. I have it to be 30 minutes. I have you so much for. The mic is already polluted. It's a voice of God on the moon. That's it. I'm going to manage your mother. Oh, we rehearse will be an in the airport. As Sunday, nobody else on the most. You people are jokers. You can deceive everybody, but you can't deceive God. When the Bible song, what's such a one? You got Psalm 132, the verse 16. Yeah,
I didn't quite get that summer so for.
What's it in quite a
But summer,
it's a make catch us and mommy papa. Don't use miracles to search for God. Ekase abranche we osafo we wotimi ehye kom obi yare no asore obi obompaye wotimi kama hita sam cheme ntime ko na asore wayira ube wuwa ko bonsam dem sika bi benya loto number no de be ma wo enkom hye ne bebem ye cancer nkyerani a the Bible ebra yankopon ka che Moses ko yi Israel for fi Israel Moses ye miracles, how many miracles? Bible me tia say o ye miracles no mako na na Pharaoh akonfo bi yandi ni yambra they also did the same thing. It don't the first say me ba TV so me ka se bia fa won ebeb me ka se bi to abrabo so abeb obi yare wanyane doesn't make me a man of God. Me ka se bia cho doesn't make me the me qualification here John 3:4 o se de Yankopon asoma no kanya me asem man ti ba bia Bible say de Yankopon asoma no be ma loto number de Yankopon asoma no o be ka aduane a wudi ya no obi a wo ye wan na ye the moment you ever catch us will be young, who said if I can be young, you need to be born again. Because 1 John 4:4, see the team, the social, the OVS. And so by a boy, ensuo ebeye boden ensuo beye boden it how say we see one for yesu okra no age kwa wo wo mabane what trans matere ne na still na osofu timi ka cheso obi yo it's an insult to the Holy Spirit. So on kuku timi mu na me dana di mo mitimi ni mbeda dia ene on kuku ye bogus. Then we should stop believing in Jesus. Salomon so from person ka say asole na wujana ni one akomo na su asole na wujana every Sunday every fasting bi o ebi na still na benfo don't tell so much oil catch us when ya krono no when ya tamano that secret sin that person should stop. Do baby and ya make so if they are limited the power of God. How can I be born again? Now born somebody else have me. Meaning God is powerless. Yes, simply you can't share them. You are limited the power of God. Till they know we cross on them so boko some so sika. Because there's no power in this Christian, a Christian for Yami, you would to me because confirm ground or anyway you will because and also they speak from even the pastor's mouth actually. Because the partner yesterday just on them will be on fun and five on financial. So everybody knows that the person is in good time with God. Not saying pay Jim will be some here. Then why is the power of our God? You're not coupon to me one. You're not coupon. Don't use miracle to search for God. Don't use miracle to choose a pastor. Jeremiah 3:15 was it, and I, the Lord, will give you pastors from my heart, and they shall feed you with the word, knowledge, wisdom, and understanding. Why is God giving you a pastor? Also, for me, according to Psalm 32, the verse 16, was it the quadrier? It was salvation, 80% ignorance of it. It's about smiling, yeah, wish you Buddha. Ma wuti fi amon kwa so nsumi ma mudie we dem obi na da say asori bia nya wana ka kire wo wa tali e show no uko market entirely do so pue which be hwe ma ko yi just the best one wa wunya ready so pedan come akra some mistake na like keke head if we nyina ye kunkun omo say masa jajaja we ma give for go omo for one ka ba aduane. Sometimes people might say osofu for abegyina nya oboa. We have billions of true men of God out there. Who now you serious? So pedan come akra. It would be uti da samano ma akra so ko. And I'll be ba solo di kebuza osofu moshenko. Osofu nuhunade. Osofu mami. This is the idea a Christopher from the Quasar. Osofu nuhunade. Osofu moshenko. Osofu yense chede. Masa osofu no beti so. Mo maso no be TV station. Oma it was say me din kwaji atare e be sha so for to so
me din kwaji atare e be se ma so for na ahontefo be to agusie dwom
ehemfo
ahontefo
obo amom ne ede
ahontefo
obo amom ne omo ne ede
ahontefo be to
obo amom ne ede
ahontefo
yo bo base
omo te
tena
ahontefo
etinyu bia keko enyu bia keke ene ede mic man say o make na do mani mutonu mi nyame aye. Mrs. Message, many people who verse as me, but they not good food, but this is the truth. The truth always is better. Because sometimes, say, I'm from Sukasembia. I'm not going to be from brother. How did you get this word? And so my brother making cake, and who have been a dose of word? And who have been? Tell me, shall I catch up also? So, okay, kind. Because now, some message, can be starting and me reading your heart.